English Learning Network.
Today we'll practice easy daily sentences with can. I can ride a bicycle. I can ride a bicycle. She can speak 3 languages. She can speak 3 languages. We can finish this project today. We can finish this project today. He can cook delicious pasta. He can cook delicious pasta. You can draw really well. You can draw really well. They can play football after school. They can play football after school. My brother can drive a car. My brother can drive a car. I can help you with your homework. I can help you with your homework. You can sit here. You can sit here. Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? You can use my laptop. You can use my laptop. Can we go outside now? Can we go outside now? Can I watch TV for a while? Can I watch TV for a while? I can make tea for you. I can make tea for you. We can visit the park this evening. We can visit the park this evening. I can call you later. I can call you later. We can study together tomorrow. We can study together tomorrow. Mistakes can help us learn. Mistakes can help us learn. Cooking without oil can be healthier. Cooking without oil can be healthier. Leaving food out too long can make it spoil. Leaving food out too long can make it spoil. Using too much salt can ruin the taste. Using too much salt can ruin the taste. Fresh herbs can make a dish taste amazing. Fresh herbs can make a dish taste amazing. Boiling milk for too long can make it overflow. Boiling milk for too long can make it overflow.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.